What's up, guys? It's your boy OG Rad. In the new studio that I set up in my house. Been working on this a couple of weeks. This is my test drive, if you will, of how's the lighting and the sound. Been spending a lot of time trying to get the lighting right. Checking the sound out now. But here I'm gonna be trying a few different things on my channel. One of them is I'll be doing some upgrades, and I'm gonna be showing you guys maintenance that I do weekly on my videos, on my RC crawlers. And this is gonna be the first one. This is my Axial UMG 6x6. And I want to give a special shout out to Hobby King and Turnergy Batteries. Check them guys out at www.hobbyking.com. And some of the first upgrades I will be doing to this is or maintenance slash upgrades. One of the maintenance items is I will be installing this 8-tooth pinion and 30-tooth ring gear on the last axle. I already did the middle axle, which I had to buy 2 of these because I needed 2 pinions, one in the front, one in the back, going out to the rear axle. And the upgrade I will be doing is a front overdrive. I'll be doing 11% overdrive. You see here I'm using the Mia's ring and pinion gears. I won't be starting this tonight. It's getting kind of late. Going crawling tomorrow. Going to hit Belle Isle Dry Rocks. And you guys tell me what you think. And I'll keep you guys posted on when I'll be doing these. I'll also be doing a live, and my giveaway will be coming up soon. So guys, please like and subscribe. Since I got everything up. And I think I'm gonna have an echo in this room. You have to excuse, that's my grandson outside the door. You see I got a basic, this is a Jor 3 gear actually. I have better metal 3 gears, but they're kind of loud. I like this one because it's nice and quiet. But even just feeling that, I can feel this pinion is wore down pretty good. I had took it out before and took a look at it, and it's pretty chewed up. You can even see it binding when I back it up sometimes. And like I said, this is a brand new ring and pinion. And here I got the AGFRC. This is a 40 kg. This is the special edition, 2026 special edition. Receiver is a Radio Link. And this is the Hobby Wing Fusion Pro. But guys, please like and subscribe. And see you guys shortly for my first upgrades. Depending on how this video comes out, she'll be doing one tomorrow evening. But I do have plenty of upgrades and maintenance. I got my Cross RC JT6 6x6. I need to replace all the bearings in that. Most of the link ends are shot. And I will be doing another surprise on my TRX4, the 4Runner. I'll be, I keep that a surprise for when I'm ready. But I'll see you guys later, and I appreciate the 3,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time.